If your recovery after 60 feels slower, like your body just doesn't bounce back the way it used to, you're not imagining it. But here's what most people never realize. It's not just that recovery takes longer after 60, it's that your body is recovering differently now. And here's why that matters. If you don't understand what's changed, you can do everything right. Stay active, exercise, push yourself, and still feel more sore, more tired, and more frustrated. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 reasons recovery takes longer after 60, and exactly what helps you recover faster. And pay attention to reason number 4, because that's the one most people completely overlook, and it quietly slows everything down. Because once you understand this, everything about senior fitness, muscle recovery after 60, and healthy aging starts to make a lot more sense. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We post 2 new videos every week to help you move better, recover faster, and stay strong and independent after 60. Let's start with this. When people think about recovery after exercise, they usually think about soreness. But that's only a small part of what's actually happening. Real exercise recovery for seniors includes muscle repair after 60, joint recovery, energy levels, sleep quality, and even your nervous system. It includes how your body feels the next morning, how quickly your energy returns, and whether you feel confident or hesitant to move again. And here's the shift most people miss. After 60, recovery becomes the most important part of staying active. Not the workout, not the intensity, but how well you recover from it. If your recovery time after exercise is off, everything feels harder. And here's the part that sneaks up on people. Over time, that slower recovery leads to doing less, without even realizing it. And that's where strength, mobility, and confidence start to decline. So let's fix that. Starting with number 1. 1. Slower muscle repair. This first one is the foundation of everything else. Your body's ability for muscle recovery after 60 slows down. As we age, muscle protein synthesis, the process that rebuilds muscle, becomes less efficient. That means soreness lasts longer, strength takes longer to return, and fatigue sticks around. You might notice that what used to feel like a light workout now takes 2 or 3 days to fully recover from. And here's the key point. It's not that your body can't build muscle anymore, it just doesn't do it as quickly. So if you're expecting the same recovery speed you had years ago, it's going to feel frustrating. But here's what most people miss. You can still improve recovery significantly with small adjustments. What helps is simple but powerful when done consistently. Slightly higher protein intake, spreading it across meals, and staying lightly active the next day. Even a short walk or gentle movement can increase blood flow and speed up muscle repair. And once you start doing that, you'll notice something important. Your body starts responding again. And that leads directly into the next issue. 2. Increased inflammation. This is where a lot of that lingering soreness comes from. As part of aging and recovery, your body holds onto inflammation longer after exercise. That's why stiffness hangs around, why joints feel tight, and why recovery feels delayed. You may feel it when you wake up, when you stand up, or when you try to move after sitting for a while. And here's what most people get wrong. They think they need to rest more and move less. But in most cases, the opposite is what actually helps. Daily movement helps reduce inflammation. Walking improves circulation. Hydration helps your body process stress. And simple, consistent nutrition supports recovery without making things complicated. And here's something important to understand. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Because even small daily habits can reduce inflammation over time. And even if you improve this, there's still another layer affecting your recovery. 3. Hormone changes. This one is more subtle, but it affects everything. Your recovery hormones naturally decline with age, and that impacts muscle repair, energy levels, and how quickly your body bounces back. So even if your workouts haven't changed, your body's response has, and this is where a lot of frustration comes from. You're doing the same things, but getting different results. But here's the good news. This is one area where your habits still have a lot of influence. Strength training helps support your system. It sends signals to your body to maintain strength and function. Consistency helps your body adapt over time. And sleep, this is where everything connects. Because if your sleep is off, your hormones and recovery are affected at the same time. And that leads directly into reason number 4. 4. Poor sleep quality. This is the one most people overlook, but it may be the most important. Most recovery doesn't happen during your workout. It happens while you sleep. But after 60, sleep often becomes lighter, more interrupted, and less restorative, which means your body never fully resets. And here's the frustrating part. You can be doing everything right during the day and still struggle with recovery if your sleep is off. That's why improving sleep is one of the fastest ways to improve recovery. Even small improvements can create noticeable changes in how you feel. Consistent sleep and wake times. Reducing stimulation at night. Keeping a simple routine. And here's something many people notice. When sleep improves, energy improves, soreness decreases, and workouts start to feel easier again. If this is helping you understand why recovery after 60 feels different, make sure to subscribe. These are the exact strategies that help you stay active, avoid injury after 60, and keep moving with confidence. Now let's go into the final reason, because this one ties everything together. 5. Reduce circulation and movement. This one is simple, but powerful. As we age, circulation slows down, especially if we're sitting more. That affects how nutrients reach your muscles, how joints recover, and how quickly your body repairs itself. And here's the hidden problem. The less you move, the slower your recovery gets, which then makes you want to move even less. And that's the cycle that causes the biggest long-term decline. But here's the good news. This is one of the easiest things to improve. The solution is not harder workouts. It's more consistent movement. Daily walking, light mobility, standing up more often throughout the day. Even small increases in movement can dramatically improve circulation. You don't need to do more. You need to move more often, because movement is what keeps your recovery system active. The big shift. Most people miss. Now here's the most important takeaway. After 60, recovery isn't about doing less. It's about doing things smarter. You don't need longer workouts or harder workouts. You need better recovery. That means spacing out your workouts, supporting your nutrition, improving your sleep, and staying consistent with movement. Because the real goal isn't just to exercise, it's to stay active after 60, boost energy after 60, avoid injury, and feel strong in your everyday life. And once you understand how recovery works, everything starts to feel easier again. You start to feel more in control, more confident, and more capable. If you've been feeling like your body takes longer to recover, now you know why. And more importantly, you know what helps. Recovery after 60 doesn't have to hold you back. In fact, when you support your body the right way, you can feel stronger, more capable, and more confident than you expect. And that's the goal. Feeling good in your body, staying active, and continuing to move with confidence. Make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And if you want to keep improving your strength and recovery, check out the next video on your screen right now.